Welcome to Level Up Virtue. In today's digital era, the internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, new opportunities have emerged for making money online. This guide unlocks the potential of AI as a catalyst for financial success. From passive income streams to active entrepreneurial ventures, we explore how AI can help you thrive in the digital landscape. We'll navigate through different avenues where AI technology can generate online income. Get ready to tap into the transformative power of AI and explore exciting possibilities for financial freedom in the digital age. AI-driven e-commerce. Establish an AI-powered online platform for e-commerce. Personalize the shopping experience and generate multiple revenue streams. Sponsored product placements. Charge brands for prominent product features within your platform, giving them increased visibility and targeted exposure. B. AI-powered upselling and cross-selling. Use AI algorithms to recommend complementary products or upgrades, increasing the average order value and driving additional revenue. C. AI-enhanced inventory management. Optimize inventory management using AI algorithms, helping businesses reduce costs and improve efficiency. Generate revenue through subscription-based inventory management solutions or by charging a percentage of savings achieved. AI chatbot development. Automate customer support, lead generation, and sales processes with AI chatbots. Generate income through various services. Subscription-based chatbot solutions. Provide pre-built chatbot templates or customizable chatbots with different pricing tiers. Offer ongoing support, updates, and improvements as part of the subscription. B. AI-powered lead generation. Design chatbots that engage visitors, capture leads, and qualify prospects. Charge a fee based on the number or quality of leads generated. C. Chatbot as a service. Create a platform with pre-built chatbot solutions for specific industries or use cases. Charge a subscription fee based on usage and additional features. AI data labeling. Offer high-quality labeled datasets for AI model training. Monetize the platform with these strategies. Dataset marketplace. Create a marketplace where researchers can browse and purchase labeled datasets. Charge a fee based on dataset size, complexity, and quality. B. Custom dataset creation. Collaborate with businesses to create tailored datasets. Charge a project-based fee for data collection, labeling, and dataset creation. C. Data augmentation tools. Develop AI-powered tools for dataset augmentation. Charge a subscription fee or implement a pay-per-use model. D. Quality benchmarking and evaluation. Provide benchmarks and evaluation metrics for AI models. Charge a fee for benchmarking reports and evaluation services. AI content creation. Leverage AI algorithms to generate various types of content. Monetize the platform through these strategies. Content creation services. Offer high-quality, AI-generated content for businesses and individuals. Charge a fee based on word count, complexity, or industry niche. B. Content licensing. License AI-generated content to businesses, publishers, or platforms. Charge fees based on content type, usage, and audience reach. C. SEO-optimized content. Generate SEO-optimized content to improve search engine rankings. Charge a premium fee for SEO content creation. D. Multilingual content generation. Create AI models for generating content in multiple languages. Charge an additional fee for non-default language content. E. Content collaboration marketplace. Connect businesses and content creators for collaborative projects. Charge a commission or service fee for successful collaborations. In conclusion, AI offers numerous opportunities for making money online. Whether through chatbots, data labeling, e-commerce, or content creation, AI can provide valuable services while generating revenue. Stay updated, deliver quality solutions, and build trust with clients for long-term success. Join us for more exciting content, like and subscribe to our channel. Unleash your entrepreneurial potential in the digital age.